Is your lawn suffocating? The MZK Dethatcher might be your answer. Is your lawn looking a little lackluster? Don't let thatch steal its vibrancy. We're diving deep into the MZK 13-inch electric dethatcher to see if it's the right tool to bring your lawn back to life. The MZK 13-inch 12-amp 2-in-1 electric dethatcher and scarifier is designed to remove thatch and aerate your lawn. It features a 12-amp motor, a 13-inch clearing path, and both dethatcher and scarifier modes. This tool also includes a removable 8-gallon collection bag and a 4-position height adjustment. It's designed to be easy to use and help you maintain a healthy lawn. This dethatcher boasts a powerful 12-amp motor that delivers up to 2,500 RPM. The 2-in-1 design allows you to easily switch between dethatching and scarifying. With 4 adjustable depth levels, you can customize the tool to your lawn's specific needs. The 8-gallon collection bag helps gather debris, making cleanup easier. The MZK Dethatcher has earned a 4.4-star rating from over 128 reviews. Users praise its ease of assembly and operation, as well as its solid performance and value. However, some users note that the collection bag fills up quickly. Many suggest skipping the bag and raking the thatch instead. Pros: affordable 2-in-1 design, adjustable depth, lightweight and eco-friendly. Cons: small collection bag, corded design limits mobility and some durability concerns. Assemble the unit, select the mode, dethatching or scarifying, and adjust the depth. Operate safely by engaging the dual safety switches and moving slowly across the lawn. Empty the bag frequently or remove it and rake the debris. Use a proper extension cord to avoid overheating. The MZK 13-inch Dethatcher is a cost-effective solution for small to medium lawns. Despite the small bag, its performance and affordability make it a valuable tool. Ready to give your lawn the breath of fresh air it deserves? Check out the MZK 13-inch electric dethatcher on Amazon today. Click the link in the description to see the latest price and customer reviews. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more lawn care tips.